Hey, today I'm going to show you how to make the most basic cilantro lime rice. Let's get started. I have here 2 cups of water, 1 cup of white long grain rice, some lime, and chopped cilantro. So all I'm doing here, I'm just following the cooking instructions on the label of the rice. So I'm going to turn the heat up high and let that water start to boil. In the meantime, I'm going to zest 1 lime and juice it. The water has started to boil, so we're going to add the rice and give it a good stir. Now we're going to turn the heat down to low, and whatever the cooking instructions say, mine say 20 minutes. We're going to cook it with the lid on. If you're using a minute rice, then it should only take a few minutes. All right, I think it's done. And at this point, we are going to need to season the rice. So about a tablespoon of cilantro, chopped cilantro, goes in, and the zest and juice of 1 lime. And then we're going to stir it around and fluff it up with a fork. It will definitely need some salt, so salt and pepper to taste, and I think it needs some more lime, so I'm adding some freshly squeezed lime juice. And that's it. Super simple, quick and easy, a crowd pleaser. My cilantro lime rice goes great with any Tex-Mex meal that you whip up. Tonight, I'm making enchiladas, and I'll show you how to make those in my next video. I hope you like this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.